Hello, everybody. Benga Olatunji here. Corporate strategic management and ethics. It's good to strategize. Strategy is very good. In the heart of business is strategy. But as much as it's good to strategize, it's important to take note of the ethical aspect of business life, personal life, professional life, and that is why we are studying the ethical theories, the ethical theories under corporate strategic management and ethics, which popularly we call CSME. So, what should we expect under the ethical theories or the theory of ethics? We are going to learn what descriptive ethics is, what normative ethics is, what meta ethics is. We are going to learn contributor to these important types or divisions of ethics theory. Don't forget, ethics is actually a branch of philosophy. So, philosophy 101 again. So, also, we'll be talking about personal ethics, business ethics, professional ethics, and how are these interrelated. Moral dilemmas. We are going to look at it. We are going to study the morality and ethics. We are going to look at ethics and the law. Why do we study ethics and why is it important to today's professionals and accountants in particular? And we are going to look at types of ethics like that of consequential, which we can equally call theological theory. We are going to study under consequential. We are going to be looking at the Unitarians, that is Unitarianism, and we are going to look at some mindset as it relates to philosophy of ethics as regards egoism. We call it ethical egoism. We are going to also look at the main criticism of consequential theory or teleological theory rather. We are going to talk about non-consequential, which we can equally call deontological theory of ethics. Non-consequential deontological theory of ethics. We are going to look at ethics of rights and ethics of justice. Ethics of rights and ethics of justice. We are going to look at the criticism also of non-consequential theory of ethics. We are going to study situational ethics in which people behave randomly as situation comes and the like. In fact, what is situational ethics? We are going to look at it. We are going to look at ethical theories of relativism and absolutism too. So this is part of what we are going to look at in this topic and in this ethics series. Is going to be in series. We are going to look at Kohlberg's stages of moral development, and really I love this so much. Kohlberg's stages of moral development, and we are going to see why our world is the way it is, and if our world is going to change, if personal life is going to change, if national life is going to change, professional life is going to change. Callback stages of morality or moral development must be inculcated. Criticism also of this moral development proposed by Callback will be looked at. We are going to look at ethical decision-making model. We are going to look at system development ethics. Talker's 5-question model. We are going to look at it still under ethics. Last but not the least in this series of ethics that we'll be looking at will be the American Accounting Association model. American Accounting Association model. So if you are just joining us on this platform, G. James Associates channel, don't forget to like us, subscribe to us, comment so that we can build these environments of knowledge together. So after this, we will be looking at the ethics of social responsibility, or ethics and social responsibility. As we introduce ourselves to